if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. In today's video, we visited a restaurant, walked around a lake, and made a cheesecake. We also went to an old restaurant that used to be one of my favorites.
Yeah, I gotta show the building. Otherwise...
This place is called the Tap House, and they have a ton of beer on tap. We came here to meet my aunt for lunch. She was bringing her little dog named Bella, so this place is dog friendly, which is one of the reasons why we came here. They have two locations, but this is the first time that I've been to this location. I had only been to the other location once as well. That I had never heard of before. I actually thought that they made the wrong order because I couldn't even find the burger. The burger was extremely huge.
How am I supposed to eat this thing? Oh my
god. After lunch, we said goodbye and then headed home and back to the lake. The last couple of times that we walked around the lake, we noticed that there was a bird that was attacking us. We found out that he was somewhat famous online and he had been attacking everybody. This time I was ready and I recorded it. The reason they attack is because red-tipped blackbirds build their nests near water. They're very aggressive in defending their nests. It's actually really sweet if you think about it. I had never thought about bees drinking water before, but I noticed that bees like to drink water from one of the bird baths at my house. This one actually landed right on top of the water and drank while it was floating. His shadow was really cool. One of my favorite desserts is cheesecake, and this is a no-bake cheesecake, so we wanted to try making it.
Melting the butter.
This is a new mixer that my mom recently got. This is the same mixer that I used in my last video where we cut up cucumbers and made refrigerator pickles. We ended up using this about 3 times during my time at home.
It's splashing.
After mixing all of the ingredients, we packed a pie crust and left some for sprinkling on top later. I tried to spread out all of the filling evenly, but it kept sticking to the spatula. After this point, all you have to do is put it in the refrigerator for an hour and it's ready.
Seems good.
My great uncle Leo recently turned 100 years old, and there was a big party for him. He was also in the paper.